East of Klishchiivka, Russians tried to attack Ukrainian positions. Before they reached their intended position, they were destroyed by defenders of the 93rd Mechanized Brigade. It's Chechens again. The TikTok battle ended without any enemies killed or captured. In the northern direction, the guardsmen of the Rubizh Assault Brigade discovered and destroyed the Russian S-60 anti-aircraft artillery complex. The Ukrainian Leopard 2A4 tank and the Mi-24P attack helicopter met on one of the areas of the front. Widows of the soldiers who were sent by Russia to war in Ukraine were gifted fridges. They thanked the benefactors and smile. Putin's regime took away their husbands and dads, made them survive, and yet they are happy about getting a fridge instead.
Этот холодильник передадут Ирине Вербовской, вдове военнослужащего. Ее муж встал на защиту Донбасса еще в 2014-м, погиб в прошлом году. 3 детей остались без отца.
Спасибо огромное. От всей, правда, от всей души, от всего сердца.
Дальше благотворители отправились в поселок Исауловка под антрацит. Глава семьи Агиенко погиб в прошлом году. На руках у Вероники остались 5 детей. Семьи погибших тяжело переживают горечь невосполнимой утраты. Подобные визиты заставляют их чаще улыбаться.
Promotional video celebrating first anniversary of the 47th Motor Rifle Brigade. In August, they raised the flag over Robotyne, and today they're defending Avdiivka from the occupiers.
Масштабні навчання в Україні та за кордоном.
Готові! Ані пішли! Вперед, вперед, вперед! Крию!
І це все, аби досягнути результату. Ми підняли український стяг над звільненим Роботине, що на Мелітопольському напрямку.
Слава Україні!
Героям слава! І зараз продовжуємо боротьбу на Авдіївському.
Пішли! Чистим! Чисто! Чисто!
Вільні, сильні, відважні, незламні та незалежні. Воїни 47-ї окремої механізованої бригади. Честь, слава та вічна пам'ять тим, хто віддав найдорожче – життя.
Ukrainian fighter MiG-29 Blue from the 204th Tactical Aviation Brigade. Attention, Finland. Russian propagandists threaten to enter Finland on tanks. History has taught them nothing.
Финны уже вступили, там не дают проехать ни машинам, никому не зайти, ни народу. То есть, но почему-то они говорят, вот въехать на машине нельзя, да, а про танки ничего не говорят. Видите, готовятся, наверное, к этому делу.
Vector UAV. Drones thanks to which the armed forces of Ukraine can destroy the enemy even more effectively. Ukrainian scouts receive Vector drones under the contract of the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine with a German company. On the move. Special Forces warriors of Ukraine conduct combat coordination training to achieve the best results during their missions. Russian drones tried to kill us when we surrendered. Russian snipers also worked on us. A captured occupier from Tajikistan, Jurayev Buned, born in 2003, graduated from college in Vladivostok, Russia, and was sent to military service. There, under threat of prison, he signed a contract and went to fight in Ukraine. In the Donetsk direction, the occupier was sent to the front lines, and there he was captured by the Ukrainian Defense Forces. In the story, the prisoner told about the deceptions of the commanders, about the mountains of dead invaders, and how Russian drones wanted to kill them, and Russian snipers shot at them.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.